Kuringana na riboti ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma muingi, kaunti ya Bungoma ni imwe ya iria ciikirirwo nganja mathabu-ini mayo ma uhuthiri wa kigina gia COVID-19 kiria kiaheanirwo kuri kaunti.
Kwetu tuondoe.
Atongoria amwe kuma Bungoma matongoretio ni Speaker wa Senate Ken Lusaka na Senator wa Bungoma Moses Wetangula maugite matiganire na riboti ici na megukorwo metereire riria riboti ino igakinya cikaro-ini cia Senate niguo mamithuthurie na kinyi.
MCS mko hapa, you are the first call of oversight. Usipotumia kwa njia mzuri, Senate iko wamekuwa wakali sana. Utakuja huko ili ujieleze.
And the Speaker can tell you the matter is headed to the Senate. And it's extremely embarrassing for me as your senator and the leader of our party that is ruling in Bungoma, and above all, Speaker Lusaka, who is also a senator from Bungoma, to preside over matters that are not very good for our county. We feel embarrassed.
Speaker wa Senate ho augite ni ekugia na gikaro kia mwanya kiumia giukite gia kwaririria ugai wa kigina niguo gutigirira kaunti ni ciamukira mbeca na ihenya.
Kwa hivyo inajua sikio tutamaliza, na hii pesa ikikuja vile mheshimiwa amesema ufanye kazi sawa sawa.
Majority leader and your team, you are the primary oversight machine. We encourage you to make sure all our resources are put to good use.
Riboti ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma muingi yugite kaunti 33 ni ciagararire mawatho ma uguri cikigura indo cia kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19 na kuu ni kwa kuri na ciuria cia uria mbeca ici ciahuthikire.
Nausunika, lakini Mungu alikupenda zaidi.
Atongoria aya a Bungoma mararagia hindi ya igongona ria mathiko ma nyina wa Senator Wetangula mwena wa Kabuchai kaunti-ini ya Bungoma. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.
Tumekuwa kwa by election.